Oh, hey. Stick AK here. How's it going? Oh, today we're on the range shooting this Walther PPKs in 22 long. It's a great little gun. It's made in West Germany. It's fun. It's kind of ammo picky. So we're going to run some ammo through her here today and see what she can do. Let me get my ears on. Classic. Double action. Trigger's ready. Yeah. She's a fun little gun. I'll keep talking here while I'm reloading, but that would be saying a little too much. All right, well, peace out. Have a good day.